The spicy yet herbal nature of this plant makes it a versatile oil that can be used to promote focus and alertness, or to add a little extra flavor while you're cooking. Hey, this is Lance McGowan with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about the doTERRA Basil Essential Oil. The main benefits is that it can reduce head tension, flavors your food, addresses occasional ear discomfort, and supports your adrenal function. The directions and common uses include: you can diffuse 5 to 10 drops in an 8-hour diffuser. You can also apply 1 to 2 drops with a fractionated coconut oil on the bottoms of your feet to wake up your body's electrical system, and it does this through reflexology, which I have other videos on, so make sure to check those out. And then finally, you can substitute 1 drop per 1 teaspoon of ground basil to pastas and soup recipes for added flavor. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, share this video with somebody that would benefit from it, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I will see you in the next video.